Hello guys, today I've got JingHong HiFi headphones 2026 model, and I'm going to show you how to assemble them. Today we've got, as you can see, earbuds itself, earbuds, you know what I mean, and the cable. And as you can see on the picture which we've got on the instruction, the left one needs to be positioned like this and the right one like this. So how to actually position this thing? So once you have it like this, your cable like this, prepare it so that you can see that the right one is not like this. It should be, it is the left one. So it's the left one and it's the right one. It needs to be arranged as the same as on the picture. So it means that this is the right one and this is the left one. So now we've got it done. This is the right one. Let's make sure it's done. So as you can see, it's like this. This is the right one and the second is the left one. So once you find the right cable to the right earbud, you need to find right earbud. Of course, right. Here we've got left, because here we've got this L. You need to find the R, which is this one. This is R. You need to now place it like this, and position the cable like that. To straight, okay, not like this. Wait a moment. Like this, sorry, like this. And now here, put the cable in without using force because you may damage them. And now we've got them done. Remember to not touch the cable, like you don't touch here this place. Try to not push this and grab this because you may damage it and you may have queer contact. Now you need to do the same to the second one, the left one. Here we've got our cable and our earbud, and here we've got our earbud positioned like this and our cable. No, I don't want. It will be like this. No, wait a moment. Like this. Okay. Now it will be good. And as you can see on the second picture here, we've got how to plug the cable. It needs to be positioned like this, not like this, like I did on the first attempt. So this is not my first attempt, but it's difficult to show it when you have this type of headphones for the first time in your hands. So now we are done. Okay, we are not done because this one is wrongly placed. So let me fix this, because as you can see, as you could see in the picture, it's bad. It's not this way. It should be oh, maybe it's the correct way. It will be correct way. Okay. No, it won't be correct way. It's the correct way. I think so. No, I showed you the correct way now. Okay. Sorry for the little mistake, but now it will work correctly. Now here, and now we are done. Here like this, and here like this. Your cable should go around it, not with the way of the earbud, of the ear tip, all the way around. That's it. Goodbye.